Hi everyone, hope you are doing well and that you had a good time with your family and friends, family or friends over the Christmas break, and that you celebrate with love, joy, peace and all the good things that goes with it. And hopefully you had a present or two to receive or to give. Anyways, we had quiet time. It was quite lovely, just the four of us as a family, and obviously I had to do all the cleaning, and the kids were helping around the house as well. But the days after Christmas is always just lazy days of either crafting, games and cleaning up. Yeah, and it wasn't just that boring. We got to go to Inniskillen in Northern Ireland from the Republic. So we went for the day. Look at what I found yesterday in the thrift shop. Always wanted these herb planters for the kitchen. So definitely gonna make good use of this. It's got an attached tray for water drain. Yeah, so happy with that. I haven't got all the herbs I wanted, but I just can't wait. All the herbs I wanted, not herbs. I do not say herb, I say herb. Don't know where that came from. So I'll leave the other pockets as they are. Or maybe, let's see. So I still want to add basil there and something else over there. We'll see. But for now, this is what I got. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do give the video a like And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.